What's going on, guys? Gabe with seodorks, and I know it's been a while, and I promised I'd be back on Wednesday, but it is Tuesday. Applejack and I were ironing out some workflow, some upgrades, and he has a pretty matte gray background back there now.
I sure do. What's up, everybody?
How do you feel with that color contrast and that pop there, buddy?
I feel very pretty.
Okay, so Applejack, you got any money in the Nasdaq?
Right now, I am invested in Ford.
Ford. Yeah, it's a good play. Made a call on Ford. We're expecting Ford to run. Ford just deserves to. I just feel that Ford is undervalued currently. But you know what's undervalued right now? Everything in the Nasdaq. Now, some will go ahead and argue and say, well, no, it was a bubble. We had yields and bonds and all that other crazy stuff, right? You know, tech seems to be ultra sensitive to a rise in rates. And so we have a pullback here. If we look at the chart, we see this pullback, and this is natural. However, we can see higher highs, higher lows, which is telling me we have a trend or an upward trend. And in fact, if we zoom out, we could see that the Nasdaq is in a forever upward trend. But what I want to look at here is the move to the upside followed by this consolidation. So leading into the holiday season, are we going to see more consolidation? I hope not, because I have calls in a bunch of tech stocks. And so let's go ahead and talk about what I am playing. And so let's go ahead and look at GGPI. I currently have $15 calls expiring on December 17th. I like the way the stock is moving. It is currently operating within this trend. I do expect a strong move to the upside, and therefore I am printing. Now, guys, I need you to keep this in mind. We are in a short week. It's the holidays, and people are thinking stuffing, not stocks, right? So just go ahead and keep that in mind. We're going to talk about one of my faves, and NVIDIA by itself has literally threefold my portfolio. But let's go ahead and look at what's going on here, because NVIDIA, yeah, bloodbath currently. But again, you have to look at the retracement here from the high of 346.36. We could see that it's bouncing lovely. Well, first off the 50 moving average here, and we could see right off support on the golden ratio. Gotta love it, right? Golden ratio 61.8, and that's at $310.93. Okay, so we got that bounce off right there. Let's go ahead and take another look at, well, hey, you know what? Let's take a look at Ford. Have you driven a Ford lately? Maybe not, but you should invest. So what is going on with Ford? Well, we could see Ford is currently in an uptrend, but look at this channel here. It really needs to break 2067 to see a strong move to the upside. Then Applejack's is printing. Applejack's, how would that make you feel?
That would make me feel very good inside.
Okay, so let's go ahead and check out LUCID, because I am ultra bullish on LUCID, and I have $55 calls for December 17th on LUCID. And we could see LUCID also respecting the Fibonacci retracement here on the 4-hour. That's what we're looking at. And we had a bounce off the 23.6% and currently moving on up. And that's what we want to see. We had a pullback from a high of 61.91. I know people got excited like, whoa, I printed. If you jumped in this play with a $70 call as it ran up to 60, you printed green. But the $55 call is where I'm at. I reestablished my position. I'm looking to make some green. Now, we can go ahead and look at a couple of things here. What I like to see is that the RSI is above 50. So again, it shows strength in this trend, despite the fact that the MACD broke below the signal line. I would want to probably see a little bit of consolidation in this channel right here before another move to the upside. And so, guys, we have a short week. Yeah, the Nasdaq rebounds. All of these tech stocks run with it, including NVIDIA. And NVIDIA, yeah, let's just say I'm a little red on NVIDIA right now, but I have conviction, and I will hold in diamond hand NVIDIA, because I do believe it can hit 360. Anyways, guys, this is Gabe with seodorks. Make sure you go ahead and follow me on Twitter for my alerts in the morning. And yeah, happy holidays. Peace.